My name's Zoe Brewer. I'm a stylist and blogger, and my blog's called My Interior Stylist. I've been styling this kitchen today for Magnet, and the theme I've chosen to go with the neutrals is pinks and coppers. Pink is a very important colour to me. I use it a lot in my design. And dusky pinks are very much on trend at the moment, so I was really excited to be able to use them in this kitchen. I think it's great to be able to show that pinks can be a neutral as well, and then add some shine with the coppers. And together with the greys and the oaks, it's a perfect neutral kitchen in my world. The first item I chose when doing this kitchen was the rose gold coffee jug, because this is a mixture of the pinks and the coppers, and it's a perfect starting point and really beautiful. And also, this goes very well with my little kooky touch, which I've added in, of the coffee cups with the little dolls on. I think it's important to have something personal in the kitchen, and this is my personal touch. To me, the kitchen is about entertaining, which is why I have the coffee cups and the coffee jug out. I like to have girlfriends round to have a gossip and eat some cakes and drink some coffee, or maybe some champagne. I wouldn't call myself a passionate cook, but I would call myself a passionate baker, which is why you'll see the pink scales in the corner. I like to bake cakes, and that's pretty much what I cook in my kitchen. It's important to have flowers in the kitchen, and I've chosen these purely because of their colours and because they go well with the other colours in the kitchen. Styling this kitchen today with these colours has been a really brilliant experience for me. I've wanted to put them together for ages to show that you can make colours and textures and shininess all part of a neutral scheme. I'm really excited to work with Magnet today. They're a well-established company who I use often in my work. They're always ahead with the trends, and you can rely on them for good quality.